So we start off today's video with this blonde bob makeover. The stylist does a nice blunt cut for this one. Oh, beautiful. Such a gorgeous classic shape. Very nice. And it ends just around the shoulders. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more short hairstyle ideas. Here we have a stunning undercut style. Followed by someone who has mid-back length hair, and she decided to switch things up with this gorgeous bob haircut. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another long to short makeover. The stylist does a nice pixie with this one. She ended up keeping her natural texture. Oh, this is gorgeous. Beautiful, short, curly pixie style. Very nice. And then we see someone with long hair. And she switches it up with this shaven buzz cut. And then we have a nice cut refresh. Stylist mixed in undercut with this one. Oh, wow. Beautiful pixie. Look at the volume he was able to achieve with the cut. Very nice. Nice face framing bangs to go along with it. And then we have a beautiful blonde pixie. So the stylist is cutting in some nice layers. I love her blonde hair paired with the red lip. So pretty. Beautiful choppy texture with the layers. Very nice. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.